Welcome to this extraordinary gathering focused on an exceptional subject, empowering your finances through financial education. Today, we have the privilege of delving deep into the intricacies of personal finance and exploring how a comprehensive understanding of financial education can transform our lives in profound ways. In this rapidly evolving world, where economic landscapes shift and financial markets fluctuate, it is no longer sufficient to rely on luck or chance when it comes to our financial well-being. We must take proactive measures to equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex realm of personal finance. By doing so, we can seize control of our financial destinies and make informed decisions that will shape our lives for the better. Financial education is not merely an option, it is a vital necessity. It acts as the key that unlocks the door to financial independence, security, and empowerment. Through gaining a deeper understanding of the fundamental concepts of personal finance, we can build a solid foundation upon which we can construct our financial future. Let us embark on a transformative journey of discovery, where we will explore various aspects of financial education and delve into the strategies and principles that empower us to take control of our finances. I implore each of you to actively participate in this interactive experience, posing questions, sharing your experiences, and challenging conventional wisdom. For in the pursuit of knowledge lies the power to transcend our financial limitations. To begin our exploration, let us immerse ourselves in the profound importance of budgeting. Budgeting is the bedrock of financial success, enabling us to track our income and expenses, prioritize our spending, and ensure that we are living within our means. It bestows upon us the power to avoid unnecessary debt, save for our goals, and achieve financial stability. By meticulously crafting a budget and adhering to it, we foster a disciplined approach to managing our resources, allowing us to seize opportunities and weather financial storms. Next, we shall delve into the intricate world of investing. Investing is often misconstrued as a domain reserved solely for the wealthy or financially astute. However, it is a transformative path to wealth creation available to anyone willing to embrace the power of knowledge. We shall explore various investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, understanding their intricacies and learning how to develop a personalized investment strategy aligned with our unique goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a patient and disciplined pursuit, one that rewards those who approach it with a long-term perspective. A pivotal aspect of financial education lies in debt management. Many individuals find themselves burdened with various forms of debt, be it student loans, credit card debt, or mortgages. Understanding how to effectively manage and reduce debt liberates us from its suffocating grip, fostering financial freedom and enabling us to embrace opportunities for growth. We shall explore strategies for paying off debt, negotiating with creditors, and rebuilding credit. By cultivating a comprehensive understanding of debt management, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions that transcend mere survival and open doors to new possibilities. Let us not overlook the significance of retirement planning, an area of paramount importance in securing our financial futures. As the sage adage goes, failing to plan is planning to fail. We shall delve into the intricacies of retirement accounts, such as 401(k), S and IRAs, understanding their benefits and exploring strategies to estimate our retirement needs, set achievable goals, and develop a personalized savings plan that ensures a comfortable retirement. Through this proactive approach to retirement planning, we manifest our commitment to financial security and cultivate peace of mind for the days that lie ahead. Furthermore, we cannot underestimate the power of financial protection. Life is replete with uncertainties, and having the right insurance coverage serves as a safeguard for our financial well-being. We shall explore the different types of insurance available to us, such as health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance, understanding how to assess our needs and choose the most suitable coverage to protect ourselves and our loved ones. By embracing the power of financial protection, we fortify our financial foundations and foster resilience in the face of life's inevitable storms. Yet, our quest for financial empowerment does not end there. It is crucial to acknowledge the immense power of financial literacy and the importance of continuous learning. The financial landscape is in a constant state of flux, presenting us with new challenges and opportunities. Through the power of reading books, attending seminars, leveraging online resources, and seeking out mentors, we expand our knowledge, stay ahead of the curve, and cultivate the mindset necessary for sustainable financial success. Financial literacy empowers us to navigate the ever-changing world of finance with confidence, adaptability, and resilience. In conclusion, empowering our finances through financial education is not a fleeting endeavor but a lifelong commitment. It demands dedication, perseverance, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. By mastering the principles of budgeting, investing, debt management, retirement planning, and financial protection, we reclaim agency over our financial destinies, opening doors to a world of abundance, prosperity, and fulfillment. I beseech each and every one of you to embark on this transformational journey of financial empowerment. Unleash the power within you, challenge the status quo, and embrace the immense possibilities that await. Together, let us forge a future where financial security is not an elusive dream, but an attainable reality for all. Thank you.